There's this feeling I get every time I leave a place. Being a nomad means constantly saying goodbye, but also constantly beginning again. There's a bittersweet mixture of joy and excitement with a little loss, a bit of sadness. During that last walk through your room, last walk through town, final meal, the air feels familiar even when I know I don't belong there anymore. It's packing my bags and realizing how many tiny memories I'm folding into them. It's the quiet bus ride, the entry into the new road, and the way your body still feels like the old place while your mind is reaching toward the new. I grow into all these routines and habits and familiar faces that I know I'm gonna have to say goodbye to. It's this dynamic cycle of finding yourself and then losing yourself and finding rhythms, flexing your habits and adjusting to the temperature, the climate, the environment, the people. So leaving hurts a little, even when you're excited, because pieces of you get left behind, because you know that something special is waiting for you on that other side. There's no confusion whether this is a good or bad ending for me. I know that every ending is a good ending because it's the start of something new.
Okay, I'm Jamie, she's Nicole. Welcome to another hotel resort La Fortuna.
And the moment the bus turns a corner and a new city appears, the anticipation wakes up inside of you, and there's this spark. New trees, new accents, new food, new strangers who might become friends, new possibilities. It's terrifying and it's so beautiful. Every move changes me in ways that I don't notice until later. I'll leave each place slightly a little different version from myself, and maybe that's the secret of nomad life. You're constantly meeting yourself for the first time. Throughout the places that I've been so far, I was a daughter, a best friend, a busy gym girly, a good cook. And now, as I enter this new location, who knows what I'll be? I can't wait to find out. So even with all the constant goodbyes and uncertain hellos, I still choose this life because every time I step into a new place, it reminds me that I'm alive. It shows me that I have purpose, that my presence makes a difference, and that I have the choice, the ultimate decision of how my life turns out. The responsibility is fully in my hands, and I'm so empowered to know that I have such strength inside of me to do something like this. I feel open, I feel brave, and I feel like my life can be anything I want it to be. This is the Nomad method, keeping your heart open and in motion. Thank you for watching.